Today we'll show you how to assemble the PiCar-B Metal Edition. Here are all the parts included in the kit. Make sure you center all servos at 90 degrees, following the instructions in Section 1, Assembly Precautions. Use 2M3*6 countersunk screws to fix battery holder to part A01. Fix 4M3*40 nylon standoffs to the assembled part A01 using 4M3*8 screws. Use 4M3*8 screws to fix part A02 to part A01. Fix bevel gear to the DC gear motor using 1M3*3 locking screw. The bevel gear screw hole must be perpendicular to the plane of the motor shaft. Fix DC gear motor to the assembled part A02 using 2M3*8 screws. Use 4M4*4 locking screws, 1M3*3 locking screw, 2 bearings F624ZZ and 2M4 spring washers to install 2 couplings S12D4, 1 bevel gear, and 1 axle shaft. Use the corresponding Allen wrench to tighten the locking screw. Fix the center of the axle shaft, then adjust the position of the bevel gear and fix it with M3*3 locking screws. Make sure that the 2 bevel gears are in full mesh as much as possible. Engagement angle after installation, try to rotate the axle shaft to ensure proper engagement. Fix 1M3*25 nylon standoff to the assembled part A02 using 2M3*8 screws. Fix the WS2812 RGB LED onto part A03 with 2M1.6*6 screws and 2 2.2 by 4.6 by 2 transparent acrylic gaskets. Use 2M3*8 screws and 2M3 lock nuts to fix AD004 servo to part A03. Connect assembled part A03 and part A04 together using two M1.7*6*6 tapping screws, a rocker arm and an M3*8 screw. Fix the assembled part A03 to part A05 with four M3*8 screws. Use two M3*8 screws to fix two steering knuckle assembly in part A05. Fix two M3*22 nylon standoffs to the assembled part A05 using two M3*8 screws. Use four M3*8 screws to fix part A06 to the assembled part A05. Using four ball joint tie rods, one 20mm threaded rod and one 40mm threaded rod, fabricate two connecting rods, one short, one long. Then adjust the lengths of the two connecting rods, with their effective lengths approximately 42mm and 64.5mm respectively. Secure the two connecting rods to the assembled part A05 with two M3*12 screws, one M3*16 screw and one M3 lock nut. Fix light tracking module onto part A05 with two M1.6*6 screws and two 2.2 by 4.6 by 2 transparent acrylic gaskets. Fix 3 CH-line tracking module onto part A05 with two M3*8 screws and two 3.2 by 5.6 by 3 transparent acrylic gaskets. Fix four M3*40 nylon standoffs to the assembled part A05 using four M3*8 screws. Use four M3*8 screws to fix assembled part A05 to the assembled part A01. Fix the part A06 to part A01 using 3 M3*8 screws. Fix the AD002 servo to the part A07 with two M2.2*8 tapping screws. M2.2*8 tapping screws included in servo kit. Connect assembled part A08 and assembled part A07 together using two M1.7*6*6 tapping screws, a 2-foot rocker arm and an M2.5*8 screw. Fix the camera module onto part A09 with 4 M1.6*6 screws and 4 2.2 by 4.6 by 2 transparent acrylic gaskets. Fix the ultrasonic module to the part A09 with 4 M1.6*6 screws and 4 2.2 by 4.6 by 2 transparent acrylic gaskets. Fix the AD002 servo to the part A10 with two M2.2*8 tapping screws. M2.2*8 tapping screws included in servo kit. Fix 3 M3*30 nylon standoffs to the assembled part A10 using 3 M3*8 screws. Use 3 M3*8 screws to fix assembled part A09 to the assembled part A10. Connect assembled part A08 and assembled part A10 together using an M1.7*6*6 tapping screw, a rocker arm and a female rivet. Then fasten them with an M2.5*8 screw and a male rivet. Fix two WS2812 RGB LED onto part A11 with 4 M1.6*6 screws and 4 2.2 by 4.6 by 2 transparent acrylic gaskets. Fix the assembled part A11 to part A01 using two M3*8 screws. Fix the OLED screen onto part A12 with 4 M1.6*6 screws and 4 2.2 by 4.6 by 2 transparent acrylic gaskets. Fix the assembled part A12 to assembled part A11 using 4M3*8 screws. Fix the Adeept Robot Hat V3 to the Raspberry Pi board using 4M2.5*10+6 copper standoffs, 4M2.5*21 copper standoffs and 4M2.5*8 screws. Don't forget to plug the camera cable into the corresponding slot on the Raspberry Pi board. The Raspberry Pi is not included in this kit, you need to purchase it separately. Fix the assembled Raspberry Pi board to part A11 using 4M2.5*8 screws. Connect the components as shown in the figure. The cables must be matched with the ports. Secure 4 wheels to the robot using 4M4*6 screws.